You alright? Alright, as long as you're good. Yeah, no problem. You're good. Yeah. Alright, see. I can play my music again on my headphones. Woo! Earlier when I was going over 100, my saddlebag popped open. That's why you saw me one hand on that bitch for a little bit. I really need new bags. Hi guys, they're not looking. No. Why? Just because it says it's 45 doesn't mean you can't, like, coast to the corner at least, you know? Oh, really quick, so in between this fishing shit, which I will not get a race, I know that already, guarantee, because it's a Saturday night at 7:10, and normally the college kids don't come out until like 9-ish, but I don't like recording at night because it doesn't show up properly, like, ever. So, over here on Western Avenue, which is the main downtown strip on Muskegon here, or, yeah, Muskegon. Because I've said that weird like that because North Muskegon is like technically across the river, and I wanted to make sure I wasn't in North Muskegon 2.0. But downtown Muskegon right here, you can't see it yet. You see that big building right there? There's like a little row of gray buildings that look like single wide trailer park homes stood up on their ends. And I was super interested in one because, like, it's got a little garage, enough for the bike and maybe a lift and a second bike, you know, that kind of stuff. And I get to looking at them online, so I'm like, huh, that's cool. Like those right there, they got a little garage in the back there. I'm pretty sure I kind of saw a garage door, and this is just a siding. But they want almost $400,000 for one of those, and you only get one. Like, you get one of those balconies, and then above and below it, that's all you get. Which is fucking crazy to me. So I will not be living on this road in that building right there, which is, I don't know, not Langlois, it's like Ludlow or some shit like that. I'll see it in a second. Those are also going to be apartments, and like, I'm interested, but if they don't have, hold on, hooker to John, I don't know, I haven't seen anything yet. The Leonard building, okay. Leonard Apartments, I'm pretty sure is what it was. If they're really expensive and not worth it. If they don't have a garage either, it's not worth it. Woo. See. I know nothing there said I had to yield, but I know how state law be, and I don't feel like getting picked up in downtown with a ticket, because that should be bonkers. Oh, somebody knows somebody. Nice. It's a nice fucking Chevelle, dude. I almost bite this van. I see a Porsche, an old Bronco. That piques my interest more in that Porsche ever will. That guy's Road King's back here again. Woo. They're having fun. Oh, are we turning or are we just slowing down? Alright, there's that crane that's in the way up here. Adequate? I see. See, reading it, I was like 88 quit, what? And then I read it all down, it's adequate. It makes sense now. Woo! GTR, what the fuck? This is Muskegon. Why is there nice shit pulling up? This is like this is a Grand Haven. Why the fuck is there nice shit? The GTI. Ooh, that's a nice fucking chopper. God damn. See, I need something like this so goddamn bad. Like, I need a chopper and I need a nice car. And that's really all I need to be happy. On top of a road glide, a street bike, 1000cc preferably, and a stunt bike. Which I could give a fuck less what cc that is. Preferably a 600 would be nice. I'm just turning around here, y'all. Recording? Yeah, 9 minutes worth. Today's another one of those don't know what I'm talking about days. So if I come up with a subject halfway through the video, you're not gonna get it in this video at least. You'll get it in a different video. That's how I did the last one I did like that, where it's like, oh, I think I have an idea. I was out riding and then I got the idea that came to me after I was already recording something else. So there's like a random big cut where you see a lot of information gone or a lot of ride time. That's what happened. Otherwise there ain't shit to record. I know I just turned around, but I want to see shit. So I might hit up the lake a little bit. I'm not even very scared. I like being loud. Chopper Bros just up ahead. Oh, I love Thunderheaders so much. They're so fucking loud. As long as that car says straight, I'll be safe. Ooh, it's even got the drag wing on it. Nice. I think I just saw that guy almost. Now we play that does Car City yield or not. Those are Karens, I can tell by the hair. Let me slap a left here. Gonna be a bitch. I can already feel the carpal tunnel kicking in this goddamn pinky. Hold on, maybe. I didn't pop it. Oh, I popped my other finger though. Maybe that'll help. So there's a big jump there. That wasn't anything. My camera decided to like randomly cut the clip for some reason. I don't know why. I didn't touch anything. It just went beep beep beep. I'm like, oh hello, and it was dead. Shut off. So I was like, huh, interesting. So I'm back again, guys. How's it going? That Jeep totally ran a red. Ooh, look at it. It's a highlighter yellow ZL1. I fuck with those. Oh, and there's a fucking WRX in there. Dude, why is there so many nice cars in Muskegon right this second? What car meet let out that was close to here? Like, the only time I see this abundance of imports that are like worth a damn is when there's been a big car meet, you know? Like, I see a lot of imports, but they're never anything bigger than like a WRX or an Impreza or something like that. And I've already seen a fucking GTR and a Porsche. And before y'all get after me, yes, the Porsche is an import. It's fucking Italian. Fuck you. I'm pretty sure it is. It's a European at least. Which is still an import. It's a Euro import. Woo! Kind of like Volkswagens are also Euros. Yeah, because they're German. I don't know if it's Euro or not when it's German, but you know, that's whatever. Anyway, what I was saying before the camera died is I like rambling to you guys because y'all either listen or you just click on the video, press whatever, like, dislike, or nothing at all even sometimes. I don't really care. But you'll press on it, and then if you don't like it or not, you just click off and say, oh, cool view, you know? That was a bad bump. Oh, see, there's a mythical one little clip of a note. Ooh, let me back up. This is how vain I am. Yeah, that's what I look like. Fuck yeah, y'all.